Today's video I'm going to explain what is C# and how to create program using the language. C# is programming language under Microsoft. With C# we can write games, web applications, Windows and console applications. And today we're going to focus on how to create console applications. Let's start with our first program. After this lesson you will be able to create your own programs and output data to screen. Firstly, let's understand the syntax of C#. C# is an object-oriented language, but not limited to functional programming as well. To create programs that can execute, you need to write your statements inside the main function. And each of your statements should end with a semicolon. Your statements must always be within your curly brackets as well. This line of code is called statement, and its function is to display text on the screen. Outputting data in C# is very easy. All you have to do is to write console.writeLine and open and close your brackets. What you put inside the brackets is your output. Firstly, let's start with how to display text as output. To display text on screen, we need to open and close double quotes inside our brackets, and then write any text you want to be displayed on screen. Note that whatever you write inside your brackets is going to be your output. In this case, I will write hello world and start my program. Hello world is supposed to display on your screen. And if it's not showing, worry less, and include this statement, console.readKey, which will allow you to enter any key to terminate your programs. Console.readKey is more like a pause break in your output. For that reason, I encourage you to make use of console.readKey in your console applications. Now let's run our program and see what happens. Hello world is the output, and enter any key to terminate. Now let's remove console.readKey. And see the output. When console.readKey is removed, we cannot see output because it executes fast, and it's hard for us to see the output. Let's put back the statement and test out program. Hello world is showing, and we enter any key to exit. Congratulations! Now you know how to display text as output. Click the link on your top screen for continuation in more concepts of C# training. See you.